Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at expanding a single bracket. Before we expand a single bracket, we need to understand what these three questions in the post-it notes mean. So first of all, what does 4a mean? So 4a means 4 lots of a, okay? It means 4 times a, but in algebra we just shorten it to 4a, so we know it means 4 times a, and it also means a plus a plus a plus a, doesn't it? That's what 4 lots of a means, a plus a plus a plus a. So therefore, think about this question for 30 seconds. What does 3x mean? 3x means it's the same as the first question, so 3x means 3 lots of x's. It's the same as 3 times x, which obviously is shortened to 3x, and it also means x plus x 3 times. Okay, so that's what it means. So now let's have a look at what 3 bracket x plus 4 close bracket mean. So there's no sign in between the 3 and the bracket. So what does it mean? Well, it's the same as 4a and 3x. In algebra, we don't write the multiplication sign. So what this really means is 3 lots of x plus 4. Okay, so what it means is 3 times x plus 4. Alternatively, it also means x plus 4, I'm going to write it here, x plus 4 plus another x plus 4 plus another x plus 4. As you can see, that's 3 lots of x plus 4, which is written as 3x plus 4. Okay? And we now need to be able to multiply this. So what is 3 lots of x plus 4? We need to figure that out. So we're going to look at that on the next screen. Okay, so if 3x plus 4 means 3 lots of x plus 4, how can we expand this? So first of all, we just looked at the fact that it could be written as x plus 4 plus another x plus 4 plus another x plus 4. Well, how do we simplify that? Well, that's the same as, well, we add all the constants together. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12, positive 12. And what is x plus x plus x? Well, x plus x plus x, well, that's 3 lots of x's, so that simplifies to 3x. So that's 3x plus 12. So 3 times x plus 4, or 3 lots of x plus 4, is the same as 3x plus 12. But imagine instead of the 3 here, we had something like 10 or 15 or 17. Are you really going to be writing x plus 4 10 times, 17 times? Are you going to do a very long column addition? No, we don't have the time for that. So the quicker way, so that's where I'm going to teach you to expand brackets. So if you've got 3x plus 4, well, we now understand that what we're doing is 3 times x plus 4, 3 lots of x plus 4. So there's an invisible multiplication sign there. And what we do is we do 3 times x, okay, and 3 times x is 3x. And then we do 3 times positive 4, and 3 times positive 4 is positive 12. And there you go. We've got the same answer, okay, but much quicker. Let me give you another example. So if you've got 5x plus 6, pause it for 30 seconds, have a go at it, and then play it again to see if the answer is right or not. So if you've got 5 lots of x plus 6, what you're doing is 5 times x. 5 times x is 5x. And then you're doing 5 times positive 6, and that's positive 30. And that's your answer. Okay? On the next screen, you're going to have 6 questions for you to have a go at. Okay, so pause the screen now, pause the video now, and have a go at those questions, and when you're ready, press play. So 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times positive 3 is positive 15. Question 2, 8 times x is 8x, and 8 times positive 4 is positive 32. Number 3, 7 times a is 7a, and 7 times positive 8 is positive 56. Question number 4, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Number 5, this one's a little bit more difficult. It's negative 6 times a, so negative times a positive, it's negative 6a. And negative 6 times negative 5 is positive 30. So in case you've forgotten the rules of multiplying negatives and positives, I'm just going to write it down here. Okay, so let's write the rules. If you've got a positive times a positive, your answer will be positive. If you've got a negative times a negative, your answer will also be positive. But if you've either got a negative times a positive or a positive times a negative, your answer will be negative. Okay, so number 6, negative 3 times x, so it will be this rule, it will be negative 3x, and then negative 3 times positive 4 will be negative 12. Okay, and I've got six more questions for you to have a look at. Have a go at them, press pause, and when you're ready, press play. Okay, for number 4, x times x is x squared, and x times 4 is 4x. And that's negative 9x, positive 45. So remember, negative times a negative is positive. And the last one is 35 minus 7x. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll respond as quick as I can. Thank you for watching.